I have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to add a fingerprint password. Okay, so very simple here. So first thing is go ahead and open up your settings on the screen here on the middle. You can just swipe up like this and then look for your settings. Mine is over here. So let's tap on that. And then from here, you want to scroll down and look for biometrics and security, which is right here, biometrics and security. Let's tap on that. And then you see fingerprints right here. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Now to proceed, you have to put in your PIN or password. If you didn't set up a PIN or password before, then it's going to ask you to make one right now. Okay, I have a PIN, a 4-digit here. After you put in your password, go ahead and click on next right here. And then from here, we're going to tap on continue. And then start scanning with the center of your fingertip. So you can see right here, we're going to put our finger on here, lift up, down, up. Just keep doing this, okay? Keep on going. Keep moving the finger around a little bit. Just keep on going. Okay, fingerprint added. There you go. If you want to, you can add another one for another finger, or you can go ahead and simply click on done if you're done, if you just want to use one. Okay, so now that we have it, now if you want to go ahead and unlock your phone, you can see you just pop your finger on there. So pretty simple. Questions, issues, comment below.